Welcome to GSL Gym City 1720 Bow Trail Southwest in Calgary, Alberta. Today we're doing a quick walk-around video on the brand new 2020 GMC Terrain Denali. The Denali Terrain is powered by a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine and made it up to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Once inside the interior of the very well-equipped Denali Terrain, we have the power windows, power mirrors, memory seating, power locks, and power trunk as well there. We do have automatic headlights and fog lights. Leather-wrapped steering wheel with forward collision warning and cruise control on there as well. We do have 499 kilometers on the vehicle, so it has been on a couple test drives here. Push-button ignition. We have a large 8-inch touchscreen. Navigation, Wi-Fi hotspot, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto is in there as well. Dual zone climate control. We do have your gear shifters down here now as well. We got heated and ventilated seating, parking sensors, as well as lane keep assist and your 4x4 dial with trailer select mode. USB charging ports in there as well. All black leather interior. We have the Bose audio equipment throughout. And then we got those beautiful black leather heated ventilated seats, Denali stitched into the headrest, and the white trim. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the GMC Denali, we'd have the 19-inch wheel and tire package there. We have the Hankook all-season tires. Color match door handles with chrome inserts there. Keyless entry, remote start, and blind spot detection all equipped on the Denali Terrain. Rear tinted privacy windows. Coming to the rear, we got our C-shaped LED tail lamps, dual chrome exhaust tips, power tailgate, and trailer hitch underneath that rear bumper there as well. Looking at the interior, we do have the leather 60/40 split. Both end seats there are car seat ready, as well as both the seats are heated. 60/40 split allows us to fold these down really nice and fast there. Tons of trunk room, LED lighting throughout. Massive moon and sunroof over top as well. We do have the heated seat buttons, USB ports, and an outlet all in that center console there as well. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2020 GMC Terrain Denali. If this is your next all-wheel drive luxury 5-passenger SUV, come and see us here at GSL GM City or shop online at gslgmcity.com.